Want to view your Tesco receipts digitally? It's easy with the Tesco app. Since 2024, Tesco has made e-receipts the standard in all UK stores, offering a convenient and eco-friendly alternative to paper. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Tesco app, version 5.12 or later. Open the app and log in using your club card details. Then, navigate to the Account tab and look for Receipts or My Orders. The label may vary slightly depending on the type of purchase you made. Select the transaction you're interested in. Your receipt will then appear on the screen. From there, you can either view it directly within the app or tap the Download as PDF option to save it for offline access. Receipts are typically available for up to 18 months. Enjoy the convenience of paperless record keeping. The Tesco app makes it easy to manage your digital receipts. You can organize them by date, store, or purchase type, and access them anytime from your account. Your receipts are encrypted to comply with GDPR privacy standards, keeping your purchase data secure. Sharing receipts for returns or refunds is simple. Use email or app links to send them directly. If you have a Tesco bank account, receipts can automatically sync for easy budgeting and expense tracking. The in-app support chat features AI-driven FAQs to quickly answer any questions about your receipts. By using e-receipts, you're helping reduce paper waste and contributing to Tesco's sustainability efforts. If you need a physical copy, you can still request paper receipts, though e-receipts offer a more convenient and eco-friendly option.